I mean, I pulled the directions up on here. Make sure that the base is back against the window.
Red.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm green.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's very green.
Come on in. So we're going to show you some virtual reality today. You know, it's really hard to show people what it's like to be in virtual reality without having them try it for themselves. Filming you in the green screen studio is just the best way we found to help everyone else understand what it's like to be in VR. Any questions?
Can I go first?
All right, go crazy.
Hey! Aw, you're so cute! Oh! Hi, Illustrate! Oh! Hey, I have a stick now. Come here. You have the stick? Yeah, go get it. Oh, he actually gets it. Come on. Oh, you're so cute.
It makes you feel like you're pulling a string back.
Left, check left.
Oh, yeah. Nice shot.
Oh my goodness, these guys are so cool.
Look behind you, Kyra.
Order up.
Bacon? Oh no.
Is that how you cook for your family at home, human?
It's burned.
Eat those donuts, Travis. Get them. Get those donuts.
Don't stand in the way of his ball. A little bit more toward us. There you go. There.
No, the other way, the other way. The wheels are a little off kilter.
Hold on. I'm gonna get really hungry down here. Little bit of a torque issue.
Yeah, there you go.
Right into the black hole.
What? Can we go into space?
No, I can't. The grid's here.
The grid wall here, that's to stop you from walking into the couch, walking into the walls.
Oh, this is so cool. I can move all this stuff.
Oh!
Man,
Look at this thing.
Yes.
Oh, you gotta keep with the beat.
Got him.
Can you see me?
Yeah, hold up some fingers. Let me see it. 5.
Oh my god! No, use both of your hands, Kelly.
Oh. I have a little fire. Oh, I think he feels hot. I'm pretty sure.